Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install the RSAT Active Directory Certification Services tools on your Windows 11 computer. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start icon and select Settings. Go ahead and select Apps on the left side, and then you want to select Optional Features over on the right. Select Add an Optional Feature and select View Features. Go ahead and type in RSAT, then you can do a colon, active. Best result should come back with RSAT Active Directory Certificate Services Tools. Go check mark inside of there and select Next. Select Install and give it a moment here. And it should say installed, so you can close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.